vehicle, and it took us forever to talk through it. So you, by comparison... That is... Oh, that small, tragic flaw. What did you see her in where you realized... Have you seen her in something as a child where you thought, like, yeah, you know... What was your experience of seeing your mom perform? Which brings us to Dolby Atmos. Here we go. Check this out.
Wasn't very well, and she actually got into hospital. Now, we've never met Jean. We've never spoken to Jean. And the fact that she doesn't...
I don't want to smile, sorry.
However, she's become a catchphrase on the show, her McDonald's.
You know, down the road, get one of these, get the Lucid tri-motor, do tear downs, and compare those drivetrains. That would be such an interesting video for me. Tell us about how great this truck is and how you're going to be bringing it to market. All details of, you know, how many you're going to be able to make and all stuff. But they'd be lying because they can't bring it to market.
It's kind of a weird technology thing, but
That is weird because you're not going to notice any driving difference.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's just one of those things that's been around. I mean, I was really
Oh, come on. Are you serious?
You know, people were going to use it in sports cars, and that didn't pan out.
It just shows you it's a less
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Not bad. Before you say anything, if you found car keys in the middle of the road, what would you do?
Hand them in to the police, or sometimes they've got something on them and you can like post them back to a home address or something.
Yeah.
What did you do?
I just picked them up and put them on the wall next to the road.
I think that's fair as well.
It had the car's registration on it, so it's a bit strange. Like it had a plastic tag on it, and then it had CU17 MFX or something like that.
Yeah.
But I had a quick look around. I couldn't see anyone walking around, and I couldn't see any cars matching that registration, so I just kind of went. Like if
I think, like,
if I was just taking a stroll, I might try and look into it, but I'm working. Like I've got to do.
yeah, exactly. I think that's fair.
How are you?
Last night when we got home, Hope made us cheese on toast, and that was something I enjoyed my cheese on toast, like, thanks very much. But then this morning, like, we had talked yesterday about having a cup of tea and toast in bed.
Yeah.
So then this morning, she brought us up a cup of tea, and that was nice. And then, like, a little bit later, I was like, oh, I never got my toast. And Hope was like, you had your toast last night. And I was like, oh, yeah, okay, thank you. That's a good, yeah.
That's
funny.
yeah, but because it just doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't make sense. Like, it's now 12:30, but I haven't eaten today. I'm bloody starving.
It's like if she made you a cup of tea in the evening, and then the following morning she went, well, you had it last night, so you can't have one this morning.
Yeah. And I just didn't know it was ration. If I knew it was last night or this morning, I would have said this morning.
Yeah.
Doing. There's someone in front of me being towed, and I don't know how to get around him. I'm stuck. Like, I don't know what's going on. This is a nightmare. But anyway, he said he's not going to be a minute. That's fine. We'll just wait. We'll just be patient. Sorry, this story's really broken now. Anyway, it's 7 minutes of me chatting now. I'm sorry, I've been going on. Lots of love. I've got to try and get past this car. I don't know what I'm doing. Love you, bye. But I don't know if I can. Let's go today. He rang the doorbell, and then he was going to put the package in his driveway.
Yeah. okay, Mackie? We're nearly there. You choked? Did you choke? He was doing one of those throaty chokes.
He's a bit warm. Let me sit. You scare us, Maggie.
That's good. You're gonna play silly buggers now, are you? Car next to me.
I'd kill him if he does. What's he doing?
Yeah, classic. Just for the sake of one spot, like.
Thing is, people don't understand how a herd works. Because she's thinking, oh, you shouldn't be down the queue. But if you'd have stayed in that lane and everyone stayed in that lane, she would still be a cowboy.
That's not the way you're supposed to do that roundabout. I don't think the camera's going to pick that up then.
Try it.
Knives, it's always a bit awkward to park, so it's like easy just to drop them off.
Yeah.
Whether we
Oh, go. Gonna have to get. It's not an easy junction though.
it's a horrible junction. Yeah. And got it all set up. And I do like, oh Jesus! Was he looking where he was going? He was wandering right over into your lane.
Yeah. Very close.
Yeah, it was.